Hey guys, Seth here with ALE Truck Beds. I want to do another video just kind of showing you some different things today. Today we're going to talk about the hitches that we use. So our hitches are manufactured by Martin Truck Bodies. We buy them in bare and then we have them hot dip galvanized. That way, that hitch is going to last forever. Rust resistant, going to always look the same color. Some guys don't like the color, spray painted black. Next thing, everybody always asks, what about wire connections? On cab and chassis trucks, we have different wire connections. So Ford from the factory, they send these plugs on the back, plug and play. So we have our wire harnesses for our trailer plugs. Plug these in. Then also all the new trailer plugs that we put in are going to be an OEM factory plug. That way, if you ever have a lot of guys break these caps off. We get a lot of customers asking, can you just buy the cap? No, you got to replace the whole plug. This is an easy way to do it. Next thing is on these Fords, we have plug and play wire harnesses. This will go to our truck beds themselves. So that makes it nice too. Now cabin chassis models are a little different than the regular pickup truck models. Pickup truck models, you have to, so sometimes we have plugs for them, sometimes we don't. We have to cut and splice, but not too often. If we do, heat shrinking it, and turns out a really nice connection. Next, guys always ask about gooseneck plugs. Gooseneck plugs, same way. So we have called our Y harness, T harness, whatever you want to call it. This will go up to the gooseneck. You come back to your trailer plug on the back, unplug that, and the trailer plug is going to then plug into this Y harness. Then the Y harness will go back into the rear trailer plug, and then boom, you already got your gooseneck plug there. Now some trucks don't have this luxury model, I call it here, with the Fords where you can plug it in. No splicing needed. So we have these we can sell you these, ship you these, whatever you need. But these little hardwire plugs are nice to put on any truck. A lot of times if it just a regular pickup truck comes in, has some wiring issues for the trailer plug, somebody gets in there and uses some connectors that aren't any good, we'll go ahead and put one of these on. This makes a really nice connection. Then again, you don't have to mess with the little screws that used to be in the old trailer plugs, and yeah, those are no fun, especially for guys with big fingers. Let's go look at these other hitches we have here. So this one here is for a Pintle. This is going to take a Pintle plate. You can put a receiver hitch on there. You can put a Pintle, whatever you're needing. D-rings on there, light plug right here. 4 bolts on each side. This tab here, from here up, this is our body mounting tab right there. So most of our beds will go right here, and then if it's an aluminum bed, we'll just drill here, put 2 bolts for our rear mounts. A lot of times then too, we didn't do it here just for demonstration purposes, but we will weld, a 2-inch weld right here just to help secure. So this is our Pintle model. Come down here. So this is our 3-inch receiver model. A lot of guys nowadays are coming with the new Fords. They have the 3-inch hitch. Here's your 3-inch hitch. They rate this at, I think it's right at $24,000. So a lot of guys with the big receiver hitch, a lot of your F550s, 4500 Rams, 5500 Rams, like this. When you go to the 3-inch model hitch, you also get a 1/2-inch plate. So that makes a nice heavy hitch as well. Same thing here, same mounting mechanism here as far as the 4 bolts on each side, weld on the back side of it. Got our mounting tabs for the whatever bed you're putting on there. Let's jump up here to our gooseneck hitch. This is our gooseneck plate for our cab and chassis trucks. Now we're going to set this right above the axle. So on like a 60-inch cab axle truck, it's going to go right at 60 inches from the cab to the center of the ball. 84-inch cab axle trucks, it's going to go 84 inches from the back of the cab to the center of the ball. These as well, we galvanize everything except for the ball. That is a stress point, so we do not galvanize the ball, but that's just a hole. We put a ball in there, torque it down, and then we usually weld around it. With cabin chassis hitches, we do have to drill into the side of the truck frame. 6 bolts, 1/2-inch bolts. Pretty easy. You can put a mag drill on there and make pretty quick time out of it. Step over here. This is our most popular hitch over here. This would be the 2.5-inch receiver. That's going to go on 99% of the trucks we put together here. This is what almost every pickup truck comes with nowadays. From the factory, it's going to be a 2.5-inch. Now, when we install this hitch, we put a 2-inch receiver sleeve in here. That way, you also have that for down the road, or if you still have some old 2-inch receivers, this will still take that. Going to be the same concept here, same mounting cabs. Now, one difference on this hitch compared to the 3-inch hitch, 3-inch hitch has a 1/2-inch plate. This is 3/8, so it's not as heavy a duty, but you got to remember, you're only putting a 2.5-inch receiver in there, and those aren't rated for the same as what the 3-inch are. So be mindful of that. Any more questions on any of these hitches? We can ship these out. We have them here in stock at all times. Give us a call, 330-933-7526, or check us out on the web, aletruckbeds.com. Thanks, guys. We'll see ya.